Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily use Cash App Afterpay. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now here on Cash App you need to make sure that your Cash App account is linked to Afterpay, and also since in this example of the video right here we need to go ahead and make an in-store payment using Cash App, so make sure the store you're going to accepts Afterpay. After that, go to Afterpay. Right here you can see I'm on Afterpay in this screen, and just tap on in-store in the bottom right here. You will get this basically QR code or code in the bottom that the cashier needs to scan or to enter that code, and the payment plan will be shown up in your screen. You just make sure everything looks right to you and then confirm it, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.